Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. You know, I don't even mind the extra little smoke today. I just fired up the Weber kettle, guys, and I am excited. I'm gonna bring a cook that you know, I've never even done before. I've grilled chicken legs before, but I've never done the butterfly chicken legs. So I'm gonna do my first attempt at that, and if I screw it up, you'll see it first. So let's get inside and get this thing prepped. All right, guys, let's see if we can do this without screwing it up too much. I'm gonna find the you got the side that's got a lot of meat, and you got the side that's got a little bit of bone. We're gonna kind of find that point there. We're gonna kind of cut. Let's try to cut right in there on that bone. And kind of, I don't know if you can see that. Cut in along the bone, without cutting all the way through. How am I doing? I know plenty of you guys have done this before. I have not. That don't look too bad. There, guys. Alright, guys, I'm gonna get these all done up, and I'll come back and we'll start seasoning these things. Hopefully, I'll learn a few things tonight. Hey folks, I don't think I did too bad a job at this for my first time. Not too shabby for a rookie, I don't think. What do y'all think? That looks pretty good, don't it? As long as they taste good, I'll be okay with all of it. Alright guys, I'm just gonna come in here and I'm just gonna season this with some herbaceous hen. I love this stuff, guys. It's from Grillaholics. I'll have a link below. Get you 20% off if you are interested in. Get these guys good and seasoned here. Matter of fact, I'm going to do this other side so it'll flow a little bit more freely. Alright guys, get them flipped over. Get the skin side. I'll get a little bit under the skin there too, where I can. Guys, when the grill comes up to temp, we're going to get these things on here. Get a little smoke on them too. Right on here. Up to 10. Alright, let's get these guys on here. I'm gonna come in, I'm gonna go indirect here to start off with. I think we got room for all 8 of these. I just want to get a little smoke on them, get a little bacon action happening. Oh yeah, we got this. I've got a chunk of, this is mesquite wood. I love this mesquite on these chicken legs. We'll check back. I'm anticipating about 30-40 minutes on this cook. We will grill them off at the end, but I want to get a little smoke on them for right now. Alright guys, I'm going to spend about 15 minutes or so. I'm just going to give these guys a turn. Trying to get a little even cooking. Alright, let that go and we'll be back in about another 15 minutes or so, see where we are. Alright guys, it's going to start happening now. We'll have to flip these quite a bit. Going directly over the heat, skin side down. We'll be turning them a lot. See how many we can get over here. I think we can do it all. Nice. Very good guys, here we go. Alright guys, gonna give these guys a flip. We'll just do this until they're about up to temp, guys. We'll move them around, give them a flip. I'll be flipping these several times. Next time you see me, we'll be ready to glaze them off. Alright, as if you can't tell, we're starting to lose a little bit of daylight. I hope you can still see well. I'm going to give these a flip and check on temperature. I'm pretty sure we're ready to pull these off and start glazing. Pretty sure we're definitely there. Yeah, we're definitely. Let's pull these off. Alright guys, I'm going to come in here. We got some sticky fingers. It's the sweet and smooth Kentucky bourbon barbecue sauce. I seen that and I said, alright, first cook of the springtime or early springtime. Here we go. We're gonna glaze these. I won't bore you with all of it. I'm gonna get them glazed. I'm gonna try the stuff I try to do here when I do like legs and stuff is I try not to barbecue down on the legs because where your handles are, to maybe try to keep them a little bit neater. That's up to you. You do it the way you do you, but that's what I do. I'm gonna come out here and flip these a few times and get some more glaze on them, and I'll see you guys inside when we can do a taste test. Alright guys, I showed you a close-up already. I do think I need to work on the butterfly thing, but we'll get that. Not bad for a rookie though. Let me get a bite of this. Oh my God. Let me tell you, that herbaceous hen kind of stands through there. And I've used, you know I've used the herbaceous hen quite a bit. And this sticky fingers, that Kentucky bourbon, that's spot on. I've used that before too. I picked that out especially for this cook. One more bite guys. Try not to be too messy. Guys, it was so much fun doing this cook. I don't know if it was, probably is my first charcoal cook of the year. I may have done another one, I'm not 100% sure at this point, but yeah, it was definitely my first one out here, at least videoing. So guys, thank you so much as always. Hit that like button if you don't mind, helps us out a lot. Subscribe to us if you have not already. So guys, until next time, God bless you. Bye-bye.
I'm not in the video.
I'm going back in for some more here.
Oh.